All right, so Dad's been working on the Volvo for a little while to try and get it running. So far you got what? A new battery in here.
Yep.
New carburetor.
Intake manifold.
New
hoses.
Yep. New cap and rotor, plug wires, all that stuff. So we just poured a little bit of gas in the carburetor and had a little bit of puff. So now we got it hooked up to auxiliary gas tank here because we don't want to use the actual one that's hooked up to the car. So now we're gonna do the first start on it.
All right, Noah's getting in. We're gonna try the first fire on this Volvo to see what she does.
Sweet.
Super sweet, man.
So it's not too often that we have this big of a open shop, but we pulled the Model A outside, and then Matt's outside right now, pressure washing off the Volvo. And then once he's done with that, he can pull it in here and get all of his detail work done. Set him up a little station here. And then we also just got this propane heater. So it's about like 45 degrees outside right now. And then it's nice and toasty in here, and I'm able to wear a t-shirt, which is very rare for the winter months. All right, so we got my buddy Matt Little up in here, getting ready to detail the Volvo. As you can see, it's pretty dirty and grimy right now, but we got the master right here ready to detail this thing.
All right, what I'm doing is I'm taking this here Meguiar's Mirror Glaze swirl remover. I'm adding about 4 to 5 drops onto the pad, and then I'm spraying out those drops on the paint, and then I'm lightly going over that section until it fills itself out, until it kind of gets to like a cloudy look, and then I take my detail spray and I spray off the excess, and then we're gonna come back through after all this is done, and we're gonna apply the wax.
All right, so Matt just got done with the exterior of this car, and it is looking absolutely amazing. We did a buff and a wax on it, and this thing really pops. Now we're working on the interior. These seats were pretty dull before, and we got them to brighten up.
Isn't that crazy how nice that is?